guys, so I'm back again, and in this video I will be eating noodles and alongside some dumplings. So in my previous video I did eat dumplings, so in this one I will be eating the remaining pork dumplings, and I will be eating some noodles. So I'm gonna hurry up here because I have my hot water here, so I don't have to get up this time. So I have this variety pack here. This is the instant vermicelli combo pack. See the little characters are cute. And these are a product of China. These are from China. Just say that right up here. So in this we have the original hot and sour flavor, spicy artificial fei chang flavor, hot spicy flavor, artificial pickled cabbage flavor, and pickled cabbage flavor. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn on music just a couple notches. I apologize. Here is a little bit loud. That should be good. Apologize there. So yeah, we have those flavors here. And then I will be eating the sesame seed flavor oil noodles, definitely. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and open these. I want to move quickly because I have the hot water here, because I don't want to have to get up. So we'll move quickly here. All right. Oh wow. So these noodles are interesting. All right. So they all have. I believe these are called glass noodles. Right here. So these are right here. Well, I guess I'm just going to have to guess what flavors these are because the front are not in English. So I'm gonna assume the spicy ones are in red. I'm just gonna take them off right here. Put them back in at the end of the video. So we have a purple pack, a green pack, a clear pack that doesn't have anything on it, that has red packaging in it, a red pack, and a yellow pack. So I'm just going to use my better judgment and go ahead and say that this one is the pickled cabbage flavor. This one is the pickled cabbage fish flavor. I'm going to assume, unless I'm assuming here because they're not in English. This one is probably the hot and sour flavor. And then this one is between the spicy and then the spicy fei chang flavor. And I apologize if I'm miscorrecting these. So I don't know which one I'm gonna go with. Like, this sauce is kind of not looking hot to me. Like, this is going to be looking like that's a funky kind of sauce, and I'm not feeling that right now. So I'm going to go with the other one. Move that to the side because I will only be eating one pack out of that in this video. So don't ask me why I still have the packaging from the previous video, but I do, and I did wash it out as best as possible. So yeah, I wanted to have that in hopes, well, just to make sure that I didn't need it, and I do. So in the ingredients package, like I said, I'm sorry I'm moving fast, but on the directions it says to mix all the contents into it. Ooh, I lost some of my stuff. Oh wow, it's interesting. There's something here. I don't think I'm gonna like this. We're gonna see. I'm not gonna judge it. Give it a try because I might actually really like this. So see how it's spanking it there, get it out. But yeah, while I'm doing this here, once again I just want to thank everybody who has taken the time out to sit and watch the videos. I really appreciate it. I know definitely once again Deja and Diamond, thank you, because you guys are always shouting me out in your stories and on your Instagram and Facebook and stuff, and I really appreciate it. You guys are really great. And just thank you to everyone else who was watching. I really do appreciate it. Like I said, this is just for shits and giggles. This isn't for anything serious or anything like this. This is just for fun. So yeah, thank you to those who actually taken the time out to watch it. I want to get more of this sauce out of here, but it's not working. Oh, I have my little chopsticks here because obviously I need something to eat with, and have my dumplings here. All right. So I want to make sure because it's just the noodles and that what just came out. So I don't know how this is going to that taste. I don't think I'm gonna like these, but hey, fuck it, give it a whirl. Oh snap! I am going to have to get up because I don't have enough water for my soybean. Oh my god, guys, I'm so sorry. I thought I prepared for this video. I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna have everything in front of me so I don't have to get up for this video, and I don't even think this is enough water, but let me open it and let's see. That's hot oil. I always know hot oil when I see hot oil, thanks to Strictly Dumpling. Alright, so pour that in there. Yeah, I don't really think that's enough water at all. I want to make sure I have boiling hot water because I don't want to put this in the microwave. Oh my gosh, guys, that makes me so sad because I thought I was so prepared. That's okay. I'm just gonna eat my dumplings while the water boils, and I'll go grab it. Again, I wish I had one of those little eyes down top so I can cook. Let's see. Nope, it's not enough. Okay, I'll be right back. It'll be like 2 seconds because I just need more water. 1 second here. I actually still have hot water because I needed to boil hot water to cook the dumplings. So luckily I could just scoop out the hot water from there. That makes me happy. I put a little bit too. No, I put it right at the line. Usually I like to put it a little bit underneath the line, but it is what it is. So yay! I didn't have to be away from the camera for as long. Oh, I'm so sorry, guys. So ghetto, so ghetto. It's okay though. Like I said, this is just for fun. This isn't for anything seriously or anything like that. It's just me eating my food, and for who those who want to watch, here we are. So yeah, all right. So I'm happy. That's the first and last and only time I will get up in this video. I promise that's the only thing I had to go get up and go get. Unfortunately, because I thought I had enough water, but I didn't. So here we are, and I'm gonna take my soy sauce. It should be enough for now. So I can, the way that was tasting, I am not gonna like those noodles. I don't know how these ones are. These are by the Nissan. When I was talking about the noodles yesterday, this is the brand I was talking about. I'll show you guys the Nissan brand. That brand right there. Yes, that is the brand that I was referring to. So, ooh, guys, sorry, I'm just ghetto, Anyways, let's get to the dumpling eating because these are so good. I think I want to try them with sriracha this time. So, anyway, dumplings. Now, I do cook them for longer. Dang, they done cooled now. We're gonna steam it hot again. I don't know if it's just because they cooled that fast or what? Cause I steamed these for a solid 40 minutes. So it should be a lot hotter. I don't know if they just cooled down that fast or what. Anywho, check these noodles. Ooh, these look scary. And these are the ones that these are the noodles that I just took out of that variety pack. Oh, guys, I'm scared to try them. All right, I'm gonna show you how they look now. Like I said, clutch. Oof. 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 Ooh, we'll see. Cause I might like the broth and the noodles and not everything else. So we'll see. Okay. Okay. Mm-mm. 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 I think the noodles still need to cook more, but even so, mm-mm. Mm-mm. Oh my God, guys, I lied to y'all again. Oh gosh, it's 4:20. Bear with me, I'm so sorry. I left my drink in the freezer. Thank you to y'all who actually sit and watch my little ghetto videos. I'm gonna get better. I promise. But, so for now, oh my God, my meat. I see it, keep running away from me. Eat it by itself. Like I'm saying, this is just for fun. Just having fun. Eating food. So once again, 2 seconds. Hello again. So, that should really be the last time because there's nothing else that I needed. So, I've had the original one, I've had the strawberry one, and now this is the mango one, and this one I've left in the freezer, as I just stated. So, I'm hoping that this one tastes really good. Oh my God, here we go. This packaging's always making me fight for it. You know what? We'll let that settle for a second because that obviously does not want to open right now. And I don't want to fight with it. I'm going to check my next noodles. See, I think I'm going to like these because these look more normal. Well, not normal. That's ignorant. These look something that I'm more used to. Because I don't even think I want to give those another whirl. Even though I don't think the noodles are cooked yet. But these ones, I'll show you these ones. Ooh. See what I mean? Alright, these are sesame oil flavor. Once again. Let's catch that. See how these taste. I'm trying to see. Okay, so these taste it how I kind of expect them to taste. They taste like Oriental noodles, which is like they're like Oriental. I love Oriental noodles, so I'm not mad at these at all. I'm gonna add some sriracha to them in just a second. I like these. See, I was taking risks with all these funky noodles. I had a feeling I was not gonna like the majority of them, which I'm not mad at because I'm glad that I like tried them out. But I had a feeling this is gonna be an outcome. Those dumplings though, on point. Add some sriracha. Still have some seaweed strips left. So I'm gonna take those. See? I'll break it up. Put it in there with my ramen. Add some flavor to it. Well, more flavor because I just added the sriracha. Alright. Mix that up. Give that a try now with my additional toppings. Put that on. I like that a lot. With the sriracha and the seaweed strips, I think I'm gonna put some more seaweed strips in there. Pour myself some more soy sauce. So yeah, man, guys, see if this bottle lets me open it. I'm sorry, I'm just like all reaching and stuff like that. Yeah. See if it lets me open it. There we are. It tastes really good. Especially since I let it freeze a little bit. Well, not freeze, but get really cold. And some of the little jellies in there. Once again, I think they're called lychee. I'm not sure, but the fruit jelly in there, they've gotten really cold and chilled. Tastes really good. This I'm happy with. Kind of scared to give that a taste again. I am, because the noodles should be done now. But, I'm sorry, let me bring it over. It's just like, I'm just like really like, Okay. Enough bitching. Let's give her a whirl. Yeah. Noodles are definitely more done. I don't know if you could tell the difference if you want to rewind, but Y'all, that ain't it. That ain't it at all. I do not like that. I don't know what flavor that is. Like I said, all the packaging, and as you can see, they were in Chinese, so I don't know what the flavor is, but I can tell I'm not gonna like this pack. I'm not gonna like that pack. So I don't think I'm going to be making a video with that. And oh my gosh, see, I forgot. my sesame seed oil came with hot oil. So I'm gonna open that up. Oh my god, I didn't open it on. I'm so sorry, guys. Yeah, I'm glad I added that. Because it got that peanutty. Yes. Makes me happy. This monstrosity, whatever that is. Put it down so you see it more. No, not at all. Don't waste your time. This got me for the cute packaging. Don't waste your time. I'm not even gonna waste my time eating the rest of that pack. And I just know that it's not going to be what I want it to be, so I'm not gonna even do it. Now, once again, this delicious, especially when you add some sriracha, some of these, which I'm gonna add a little bit more pieces. They're really good. Oh man, that other stuff, woo, y'all don't. If you go to Asian market, don't do it. Don't even do it. Don't let that cute packaging get you. I'm actually really disappointed because I was like, there's this, if you go there, there's a whole section of just ramen. And that's what I was really excited for, you know, going to go get noodles and stuff. And every single pack let me down. Terrible, guys. It's terrible. I'm very sad that I've been let down like this, but it's okay. Cause these dumplings, amazing. The dumplings I ate yesterday in my last video, amazing. Sorry. I know I just scarfed that down, but I didn't want it to fall. But as I was saying, the dumplings, amazing. Oh my god, I got my neck. But the noodles, I am disappointed in these noodles. Whoa. Not these noodles, the noodles that I had in the past, the ones I bought. So when you go to the Asian market, if you go to the Asian market, be careful how you pick your noodles. However, be adventurous with your dumplings. Oh, this is good. The oil, the seaweed, the sriracha. I'm happy. I'm happy with this. Go ahead, dump a dumpling in there. See how my dumpling tastes now. I like it. I like it. And as always, music will be in the description. Say on my meat. Shoot. It's okay. Oh, man. Guys. So how have you been spending, excuse me, your force money? I know I've been vibing. So that's crazy, you know. That's why I'm feeling real good. Yes, yeah. It's the first thing I ate all day. I didn't even have plans on making this video today. But I was just chilling. I was like, you know what? I'm hungry. Why not? So here we are. Yeah. I actually really love this song. The song is called Rituals. I love this song. I love this song. Alright. Come on, dumpling, come to me. Terrible. Well, all for the name. All. Ooh, I can't talk. All for the love of food is what I'm trying to say. A little bit too much soy sauce. Dump that into the noodles. Drop. I just love food, y'all. That spice hit the back of my throat. That's like my shirt. It's the meat that's inside the dumpling. Let's kind of move. I'm gonna put a little bit of sriracha on the dumpling. I know you guys can't actually see. You can just like see my chopsticks, but yeah. So I'm bringing it up. I'll bring that one up too in a second. Get that. Oh, I was trying to dip it. Ooh, excuse me. Into noodle. There you go. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm. Ooh, spice is hitting the back of my throat. Ain't no minding me, y'all. Our problems. Okay. Anywho. Got to watch all that. Adding the oil to this really did it some justice. I'm satisfied with all of this. Well, I don't know why I put it back on camera, but that over there, no. This over here, yummy in my tummy. It's okay. I'm gonna put it in the sauce. On the broth, I should say. But I didn't mean to eat all the meat like that. Ooh. Y'all, this was a nice meal. I'm very happy for everything except that monstrosity over there. Excuse me. That spice does it to me every time. So, I'm not a fan of spice. I'm a big fan of spice. If you've been keeping up with my videos, you probably know that by now. But, yeah. Ooh. Fabulous. Fabulous. That was fabulous. Move that away. I ain't done yet. I'm not food. Yes, like actual, you know, entrees. I guess you want to call it entree. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. But yeah. That was good. This is good. Whew. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna get my little jellies in there. Gotta get every last drop. I paid for it. I ain't made out of money. I ever read it. So anywho, like I was saying, I'm really actually not done. But this, don't waste your time. No. This, you get this. That's good. Oh man, that was really good. So.